Hello foodies! Remember, here at Carpizzo's we cook, eat, and enjoy. So there, we take a deep breath and prepare our new menu item. Today we're making slow cooker. I've got the slow cooker out. Orange chicken. And I've used the secret ingredient here at Carpizzo's is orange marmalade. And I have our chicken breast that I've cut with our orange marmalade in here. And it just smells orangey and delightful. Anthony, take a smell of this. Anthony, can you smell that?
Ooh, yeah.
Isn't that nice? So this is a really simple recipe. Okay? We're going to do this. I like to do it on high because I like to eat a little quicker, but you could do it on low in about an hour and a half. High an hour. Put your chicken in the pot. Cook for about an hour on high or an hour and a half on low. Then open it up. And then I have our chicken. And then I have here a couple of tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce with a little thickening agent. You can use starch. You could use whatever you like here as your thickening agent. I've used potato starch. You could use anything else. And that will go in the last half hour. So if you go on high about an hour and a half, hour and 15 minutes, just make sure your chicken is nice and done. Okay? And that's all there is to it. So if you haven't already, remember, take a look at the shorts that we have of this, and it shows me putting it all together. And the tip of the day is something you need to keep in mind. So search out Carpizzo's Kitchen. He'll lead and teach us tip of the day. And every day I put out something different. So there we have it. This is Peter Carpizzo's. As always, hello, chef!